Hi and welcome to our review of the Cricut Easy Press. So what is a heat press? A heat press is used to transfer designs onto fabric using high heat. For a home crafter, this was done with just a regular iron, but since Cricut came out with their line of ceramic coated presses, anyone can get professional results. Cricut has a few different kinds of presses. They have their mini press, and this is the one that you would use for sneakers or hats, anywhere that there's a small design space. And then there's their regular presses, and they have 3 different sizes. There's the 6x7 press, and this is a great little press for anything smaller like baby clothes, smaller handbags, so any design area that you need a smaller space. And then there's the 9x9-inch presses, and these are a medium-sized press, so this one's going to be good for like a shirt, jacket, smaller handbag. And then the large 12x10-inch press. And you would use this one for any larger projects that you're working on, like large totes or even blankets. So the nice thing about a heat press is that it can be used on any fabric. You're going to be able to use this on silk, burlap, faux leather, canvas, cotton, and more. So this has ceramic plates and they're evenly heated, so your design is going to be pressed right into the fabric evenly, and it heats up to 400 degrees, and that's going to make your design really stick right into the fabric for you. They also heat up fairly quickly. The mini heats up within about 60 seconds, and then the larger one heats up within about 3 minutes. And then there's a safety base to keep the heat press on when you're working at getting your fabric ready for your next design. And the ceramic coated plates makes it so that there's no friction and sticking. The heat presses can be used with any HTV, which means heat transfer vinyl, but Cricut does have a large selection of designs specifically made for their presses. And another thing that's helpful if you're going to be using the heat press is the Easy Press mats. And these are used on the bottom of your design, and this is what provides you with consistent heat distribution. And all of the settings are in the manual for you that comes with machines. We hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching.